Hi everyone! So today's goal is to get the car into the garage because there is rain in the forecast, so we need to get this car in the garage so that we can finish working on it. We need to put the, well, first of all, we have 2 wheels on it. These front 2 are 4 lugs and the 2 back ones are 5, so we're gonna fix that problem. But basically we need to get the 2 front wheels on, and the tires that we're working with are pretty bad, so hopefully we can get the wheels on. We need to get the wheels on, we need to get the car into the garage, so hopefully we can get that done today. Our end goal to take out the motor, and hopefully we can do that a lot better if we can work on it inside the garage. Then we don't have to worry about rain or anything else. So here we go. Disgusting. Look at this. Well, this one goes all the way in. I guess
I was the one who sprayed it.
Rusty right here. Rustier than others.
I was the one who sprayed it. Mom, and you didn't do it.
Oops.
Can I do it?
Transfer that one. We're only doing 2.
Ow.
Our makeshift rain protection.
Okay, it seems like these 2 sides go all the way in. You can tell because the tires will be.
It's that pbblaster, that's what did it. Stuff works good.
I'm gonna go put my gloves up.
That should be in their next commercial. Works good on rusty nuts.
What do I do with this?
No.
You connect it to the end of this.
Can I do it, please? This looks dangerous.
Pull that sleeve back on the hose.
This one?
Oh, while I'm connecting to.
Push up hard. It's got air flowing through it, so you gotta push hard. There you go. Make sure it's forward. Yes, that's forward.
Well, I'm gonna use that.
Normally you'd want to get it started by hand so that you don't cross thread anything, and then
That's good.
use your air tool or electric drill, whatever, but do that other one. Tighten the other one.
Ooh,
You can tighten it a little more.
I don't. Doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, just tighten it a little more.
No wonder.
Push it forward a little bit.
I was like,
Right there.
oh, the tire's not so bad.
you're gonna put it directly under the differential. The thing that looks like the thing that's shaped like a pumpkin. Put it right under that.
That circular thing?
Yep.
Okay, but
what? Make sure your handle's tight.
like, is there? How thick is that? Oh. Okay, I see how thick it is now.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Oops.
You didn't break anything.
Alright, looks like that tire's.
Yeah, that tire's shot. So maybe it'll at least let you get it in the garage. With a little bit of assistance from the old Yukon.
A success.